right forward while, left back while. Just the feet. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you step back on that while, sit on it. So it's a sitting motion. So it's going to go forward. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Now sit on this. Sit. 2, 3. That was good. Again, ready? Forward, forward, and back. Back. Good. Forward's going to go roll your left, and then when you go back, the right's going to come on top. So it's going to go forward, 2, 3, sit on it. Sit, 2, 3, 4. Then it's going to come it's going to come 1 and 2. Hold it to the right. 1 and 2. Reach out and put the leg on your shoulder. Okay, here we go. First, ready? 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Step back. Back. 2, 3. Weave it. 1, 2. Put it on. Put it on. Good. Let me get my notes. 1, 2, 3. Then it comes out. It's meeting. Bring them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that far. 5, 6. Here we go. Forward, 2, 3. Step back and back. 2, 3, and 1 and 2, and put it on. 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 3, 4 together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. 5, 6. Here we go. Forward, 3, 4. Back. 2. Leave it. 1, 2. Put it on. 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 3. Reach out together. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Have some questions that far? Okay. The whole verse. It's a single. I apologize.
So we don't. Do we dip? Do we dip then?
Yes. Forward. And weave it. Reverse it, okay? Step on it to reverse. Let me see.